Hello everyone to this quick video on my reflections on the course. For this reflection, I'm going to use the Project Zero thinking routine. I used to think, now I think, to help me in the process. So looking at my course now and the way it is not finished yet, but I think we're a good way into it. I used to think that Moodle was too clunky and limited for course design. Now, I think the right planning and the right digital tools, including AI, seen at what I have produced on the course, I can see that Moodle becomes flexible, dynamic, and can be a very learner-centered platform. Just by thinking about all the tutorials that we had to create, I think that practical side of seeing it, being done, then doing it ourselves, and then reporting back using a video was very, very useful. So creating all the different tabs at the top, adding the different types of information, adding voice notes, adding different types of activities like our favorites as a sticky, thinking why that was a good activity at this stage. So bringing people together and allowing them to share, for example, in this case, different options and being able to compare through the process what other people was sharing. So I think that was very useful. I used to think AI was mostly for generating content. I've been using it a lot for generating materials, for my lessons, for my teacher training workshops, for my own YouTube channel. Now I think that AI is a powerful design assistant that can support planning, content creation, assessment ideas, and even learner feedback when used intentionally. One of the things that I appreciate a lot is the fact that I liked Nelly's Develop Online course, her ChatGPT bot, and so I created my own as well now to help me with my own courses in exactly the same way and in exactly the way I want, and paying attention to the things that I like. Yesterday I received very good news. I received the results for the professional diploma in digital learning design that I finished, and I got a distinction. So I was very pleased with that because that's also being part of this journey along with Nelly's course. And I really like Moodle, especially version 5, as you saw in the other video. So because I can see that it is more user-friendly and it's more appealing to the eye, and I think that's important. My number 3 is I used to think that course design was a little bit more static. You finish before you launch. But now I think it's a living, breathing process that can and should evolve through learner data and through the things that we do. So, for example, when creating the different resources, thinking how they work or don't work, seeing what was missing, so trial and error. And this made me think of ADDIE, so the approach used in digital learning design, so which is ADDIE, which stands for Analysis, Design, Development, Implementation, and Evaluation. And that's what we've been doing here. We've been implementing and evaluating, checking again, implementing, developing all the different resources, all the different kinds of marking, the grading, ensuring every activity is accounted for so that means something and adds up towards what participants get, ensuring the experience design and user experience is included, that everyone feels informed, and that there is some coherence to it. So I think that was very good. And my last point is number 4. I used to think video tutorials were extra and nice to have, but not essential. And this change, not necessarily right on this course, it's been through, especially the last year when I did also Nelly's AI generated materials for ELT last year, and now this year I also did another course on video creation for educators with Yoga Conga and the digital design certificate, because I think that video tutorials are an excellent way to actually show people how to do things. It's a lot more difficult when you talk to people or you talk at people. With tutorials, I think it's easier when you show them how you do things step by step. So that's my reflection, and I look forward to your comments and feedback. Thanks for watching.